Alright, I don't know why they gatekeeping to you guys. So here's Tripo. You guys can upload a photo and then have it go through the generator. There are regular one photos, multiple sides. This one's to get a batch of images, and then text to model. You also have just to generate you a photo of whatever you put in there, and it'll give you a bunch of those. Then you throw it into the segment. After it's done modeling, it will put in some colors in there. If you want to go into coloring more, you can come here, click to whatever color you want to pick to click, and to color. As you can see, since I already have that done, there's no need. Then you can have it split into parts just like that. You get sent it over to Bamboo. Or you can send it through here, through Bamboo. As you see, it will send it through.
Jeez. There goes.
Too much stuff going around right now. Moving slow. And you have it broken in pieces right here, you see? Or you opened it. This one's a little bit of hollow. As you see, everything's broken in pieces. That's the hair, that's the top of the hat right here. That's the belt, these the pants. That's the hands right here. The ears, the face. They go back with the hair. And they all fit together, so you don't have to worry about it. If you do want to make it more clean, you can. You can go around in more detail. Some parts like this don't tend to be the outline of that, so you have to figure out how to either fill that in or make your own model for that part. So some parts you can avoid, or just don't split the mouth in that and just put it through a AMS or a printer that has two nozzles, so you don't have to worry about switching out so many times and wasting so much plastic. But this is how you go, guys. You go from an image to a model, break it down, and then send to the program. In a matter of like 20 minutes, if not 10 minutes the least. The most 20 minutes from all the work you did, rather than spending 3 weeks or however long on modeling. Welcome, guys.